Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Sylvia Paroi, Assistant Professor of Community Medicine Department, Ad-Din Akiz Medical College, Khulna. Today we start Infectious Disease Epidemiology lecture. At first we have to know some terms and some definitions, such like infection. What is infection? The entry and development or multiplication of an infectious agent in the body of man or animals is known as infection. Now we see what is contamination. The presence of an infectious agent on a body surface, also on or in clothes, bedding, toys, surgical instruments or dressings or other inanimate articles or substances including water, milk and food. Contamination on a body surface does not imply a carrier state. What is pollution? Pollution is distinct from contamination and implies the presence of offensive but not necessarily infectious matter in the environment. Now we see infestation. Infestation for persons or animals, the lodgement, development and reproduction of arthropods on the surface of the body or in the clothing. Example: lice, itch mite, hookworm infestation, ascariasis. Now we see what is host. We have to know host. A person or other animal, including birds and arthropods, that afford subsistence or lodgement to an infectious agent under natural conditions. There are some type of host like obligate host. Obligate host means the only host, that man in measles and typhoid fever. Hosts in which the parasite attains maturity or passes its sexual stage are primary or definitive host, and those in which the parasite is in a larval or asexual state are known as secondary or intermediate hosts. A transport host is a carrier in which the organism remains alive but does not undergo development. Now we have to know some definitions such infectious disease. What is infectious disease? A clinically manifest disease of man or animals resulting from an infection. And what is contagious disease? A disease that is transmitted through contact. Example include scabies, trachoma, STD and leprosy. Communicable disease. What is communicable disease? An illness due to a specific infectious agent or its toxic products capable of being directly or indirectly transmitted from man to man, animal to animal or from the environment. Environment like through air, dust, soil, water, food, etc. to man or animal. Now we go to see epidemic. Epi means upon, demos means people. The unusual occurrence in a community or region of disease, specific health related behavior like smoking or other health related events like cholera, HIV, clearly in excess of expected occurrence. For example, in the USA, a disease such as cholera is not normally present in the population. Therefore, even one case of cholera would constitute a potential epidemic in US. Now we see the definition of endemic. En means in and demos means people. So endemic refers to the constant presence of a disease or infectious agent within a given geographic area or population group without importation from outside. May also refer to the usual or expected frequency of the disease within such area or population group. For instance, common cold is endemic because somebody always has one. The term hyperendemic expresses that the disease is constantly present at a high incidence or prevalence rate and affects all age groups equally. The term holoendemic, a high level of infection beginning early in life and affecting most of the child population, leading to a state of equilibrium such that the adult population shows evidence of the disease much less commonly than do the children, as in the case of malaria. Now we see sporadic. Sporadic, the word sporadic means scattered about. The cases occur irregularly, haphazardly, from time to time and generally infrequently. Example: polio case, tetanus, herpes zoster and meningococcal meningitis. Now we see the definition pandemic. What is pandemic? An epidemic usually affecting a large population of the population, occurring over a wide geographic area such as a section of a nation, the entire nation, a continent or the world. Example: influenza, cholera. Today we like to end our lecture. In next lecture we continue these episodes.